We're going to show you a very interesting case and we use a novel technique called socket shield technique. And what this technique is in dentistry is that, you know dental implants are very popular these days. However, the challenge is that tooth need to come out, socket need to heal, and then the whole process takes like at least 6 to 8 months. And the aim is how we can speed it up. So with this novel technique, what we can do, can speed it up by leaving a small slither of your own tooth, which is called socket shield, on the outside in the upper teeth. So the body thinks the tooth is still there, so gum wouldn't shrink, implant will heal much quicker, and you can potentially put a tooth on the implant within 2 to 3 months. So it reduces the treatment time by at least 2 folds. But then there are other advantages of this technique. What happens is whenever you take a tooth out, socket becomes bone, but the volume shrinks by 50%, and it's not only width, the height shrink by 2 to 3 millimeter as well, and that leaves patient with unpleasant aesthetic results. But with socket shield, you not only improve the time, reduce the treatment time, but you also preserve a thin shell of patient own tooth, and the body keep thinking that there is still tooth there, and gum doesn't move, bone doesn't shrink, and you can avoid extensive grafting procedure, which is bone graft, gum graft. All of that can be avoided by using this socket shield technique. It's a novel technique developed by 2 of the German dentists, and we have adapted that to our practice with everyday practice with very successful results. So if you want to have the treatment which are quicker and simpler, then come and join us and have a consultation with us, and we'll be able to explain it to you. Thank you.